What's up, Ubes? Well, hell, as the title shows, I got some new tires. These are on a no lift, no spacers, no rubbing, nothing. Factory size is a 265 70/16 for the off-roads, and I opted to go with a 265 75 tire, which is almost an inch taller is what it was. I went with the Wrangler Durtrax. I love them though, the second pair. I went with these because I could run up with no spacers, no lift, and once the lift gets on, it's only gonna be a 3-inch. It'll look good. It'll look good. I'm not gonna worry about doing no crazy back spacing on any kind of rims like that, so I'm gonna stick with those. But the biggest reason I went with it was because it fits under here. That's the same size spare I got on there, so it keeps all 5 of the tires matching. That's a pressure pump I'm working on. That's for another video. But yeah, so it looks great. The entire truck came out looking amazing with them. I love the way it looks with it. And I think with the lift here at the first of the year, it's going to really set it off, and I'm very pleased with how the tires came out. They had a good special deal going on. I got a $200 mail-in rebate, so really 5 tires mounting and balance was only around 8, so that is awesome. Awesome. But yeah, so now y'all know. Later.